Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the lock screen clock on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, scroll down to and tap on Lock Screen. Tap Clock Style, then tap Lock Screen on the pop-up. Here you have a few different clock styles to choose from. Choose the clock you would like to change to. You can change the color style of the clock by tapping the colors at the bottom. If you want a different color than the ones shown, then tap on the multicolored circle in the bottom right. Choose your color and tap Done. When you are happy with your clock, tap Done in the bottom right. Now when you lock your screen, you will see that your lock screen clock has been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.